How to make a playlist on TikTok. TikTok is an excellent platform for creating and sharing short, engaging videos. One feature that can enhance your content organization and viewer experience is the playlist feature. Creating a playlist on TikTok allows you to group related videos, making it easier for your audience to find and enjoy your content. Why create a playlist? Creating a playlist on TikTok has several benefits. Benefits of creating a playlist on TikTok. Organized content. Playlists allow you to group related videos together for easy access. Enhanced viewer experience. It makes it easier for your followers to watch similar content in one go. Increased engagement. By providing a curated experience, you encourage viewers to watch more of your videos. Steps to create a playlist. Before we dive into the steps, let's ensure you have access to the feature. Make sure you have access to the feature. Currently, the playlist feature is available to certain creators and business accounts. Ensure you have the latest version of the TikTok app and check if you have access to this feature. Navigate to your profile. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Go to Profile, click the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Create a new playlist. Access playlist options. On your profile, look for the Playlists section. If you don't see it immediately, click the three dots in the top right corner to access more options. Create playlist. Click on a Create Playlist or the plus icon next to a Playlists. Name your playlist. Choose a name. Enter a name for your playlist that reflects the theme or type of content it will contain. This is essential as it will help viewers understand what to expect when they click on it. Add videos to your playlist. The next step is to populate your playlist with content. Select videos. Choose from your previously uploaded videos to add to the playlist. Make sure they are relevant to the theme you've established. Manage your playlist. Managing your playlist is just as important as creating it. Reorder videos. You can always reorder videos in your playlist after it's created, so feel free to adjust according to your preferences. Closing thoughts. The TikTok playlist feature is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your audience's viewing experience. By organizing your videos into playlists, you can boost engagement and make it easier for your followers to enjoy your content. Don't miss out on this opportunity to share your creativity in a more structured way. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.